Hey, everybody, what should you here do the homework this year? Um, just remember, when you take your homework home, it's a lot of pages, yes, but you need to remember that the first few pages are just examples, okay? They're just to help you do the homework, okay? So if you get confused or don't know what to do, then you can look at the homework helper, okay? Also, this is for parents. Parents, if you want to see how they're doing their work, if you want to help them, this is the page that would help you understand how they are learning to do the problems. So, here we go, and let's get started with homework. Number 1, it says represent the expressions with disk. Write the problem vertically and record the partial products. Okay. So here's how we're doing this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stack. So they stacked it here for you. Okay. Now, here you have to decide, are you going to draw it first or are you going to work it first? So I'm going to do the drawing first. So I am making 24. So I have 2 10s and I have 4 1s. That's 24. I need 2 of them. So I make 2 of them. And now I'm going to work it normal now. So first I'm going to multiply the ones place. I'm going to multiply 2 times 4 ones. Why 4 ones? Because it's in the ones place. Next, I'm going to multiply the tens place. 2 times 2 10s is 40. Why? Because 2 10s is the same thing as 20. Or I could do 2 times 2 is 4. And since I'm multiplying tens, I just add a 0. Add them together and I get 48. So all I did was I did this, which is here, plus this, which is here. All I did was put it together. Okay? All right, let's look at B. B, 3 times 24. First thing I do is stack it. 24 times 3. I'm going to go ahead and draw it first. So I need to make 24. And 10, 1, 1, 1, 1. 24. Okay? I need 3 of those. Now remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. You can rewind, whatever you need to do. I only go a little quick because, I'm limited on time to post it. Okay? So, there we go, we drew it. Okay? Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to multiply. So, multiply the ones place first. 3 times numbers in the ones place is 4 ones equals 12. Next, I multiply the tens. 3 times 2 10s, because 2 is in tens place. 3 times 2 is 6. I'm multiplying by tens, so I add a 0. Add them together, I get 72. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my place value disk. If I count all my ones, I have more than 10, which I can't have. You can't have more than 10 in one place value spot. So I'm going to make a group of 10, and I'm going to move it over. Once I move it over, they're done. I cannot use them again. Okay? I remember the example I gave you in class. What's better, to carry 12 pennies or to carry a dime and 2 pennies? Okay? So that's all we're doing. We're exchanging the 10 pennies for the dime, the 10. So what do I have left? I have 2 left. Now I count my 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 plus 2 is 72. And Now we have, let's see, C and D. I'm going to leave you to do those on your own. Okay? You're doing them exactly how we did B. Okay? Exactly. Now, if you look here, you have 4 times 24 and you have 5 times 24. You're doing the same thing. All you're going to do is add one more here because it's 5 times 24. Okay? Okay. No, I'll be nice guy. Let's do C. Snack. 24 times 4. I'm going to multiply first this time. Multiply the ones. 4 times 4 ones. 16. Now do the tens. 4 times 2 tens. 4 times 2 is 8. Multiply my tens, I had a 0. And 96. Okay. Now let's draw. I need to make 24. Okay. I need 4 of those. Okay? And so now I count my ones. If I count on my ones, I see that I have more than 10. Can I have more than 10? So I'm going to bundle them. I'm going to put them together. So I'm going to count 10. And I'm going to move it over. And I'm going to make a 10. Now that I did that, these are gone. They're done. I cannot use them again. So now I'm going to count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I got my 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 plus 6 is 96. Okay, so that's going to leave you to do D on your own. Next page says represent the expressions with dis. So write the problem vertically and record the partial products. Number 2 is the exact same thing that we did on 1. Okay, the exact same thing. Great. So I'm going to do one of these. Let's do, I'll do the last.